Today we are going to mess around with this new tool called Aura. I think this was made by someone called Meng from Design Code. Yeah, I'm really interested in checking this out. It's an AI powered design tool. As you can see here, create beautiful designs, generate in seconds and export to HTML or Figma. So let's start with a basic prompt. Let's say create a design. Let's create a portfolio for a UX designer. Say it creates a modern dark mode. Use the design styles of when design. Yeah, I'm just going to use this basic prompt, see what it gives us. Okay, so it's generating the HTML code. I'm going to focus on clarity, simplicity, and ample negative space. Yeah, so basically modern design principles. I didn't give it a color scheme or style, so let's be interesting to see which fonts it uses and which colors as well. Yeah, so after about a minute, it created this. It looks interesting. Let's see. Preview. Okay, very basic. 3 projects. See, so when it clicks on design, let's see what I can change. See, oh, you can change the fonts here. Let's choose Plus Chicard. Sounds really liking that font recently. Medium as well. And yes, keep this into see lights nodes. 400. Let's change this to Indigo 400. Let's change all to Indigo 400. Okay, and just like that, I refreshed it, so it's quite quick as well. So I guess this is similar to like the visual edits you can do in a tool such as Lovable, where it does it instantly without wasting any additional prompts. Interesting to see how many free prompts I get with this. It's not quite clear here. Maybe I need to figure that out. Here's a really basic portfolio. Change this as well. Let's try sounds medium. Great. Getting there slowly. Maybe I could have prompted this, would have been better. Anyway. So here, what I actually did, I went to a component website called 21st Dev, where you can find a lot of components you can copy and paste into a lot of these AI coding tools. And I found the one I wanted. I just copied the prompt, just copied prompt like that, and I pasted it into the chat and said, "Can you add this to the hero section?" Well, it didn't copy it exactly, as you can see. It looks a bit different because this component is actually for React and this only uses HTML. So it tried to simulate it in the best way possible. This is what it created. It looks okay. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it looks decent. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I want to use a different library called React Bits. Shout out to React Bits. And I found this letter glitch component and I'm copying the code and I told Aura, please can you add this to the footer section? Let's see what it's going to give. Okay. So it worked, but it did delete everything else. So actually what I'm going to do now is I actually went back. I managed to get this design back simply by going here and clicking on view. I brought it back and I actually exported the code, copied it to the clipboard. I'm going to go into Lovable. I'm going to say create a portfolio by implementing the below code. So I pasted the code here and let's see what Lovable does create. By the way, if you didn't know, Lovable is an AI coder that can build apps, websites, yeah, just with the power of AI and prompting. Yeah, so Lovable's finished implementing that and it actually copied it perfectly, pixel for pixel. It looks pretty good. But what I'm going to do, as you can see, this is not quite showing properly, it's been cut off. So actually I'm going to click on it, click on edit, I'm going to say make sure this text is not being cut off at the bottom. Make sure the overlay is visible. Okay, this should fix it hopefully. So after a bit of back and forth, I got the title to be working. I had to actually remove it because unfortunately the prompts were not working to fix it. So I deleted the title and re-added it again. So yeah, as you can see, we've got a decent looking portfolio. It's quite basic, but it does the job. With a form, selected work, a nice hero section, very minimalistic. And it's from this design, from Aura Chat. We copied the HTML code and we pasted it into Lovable. So that was a quick tutorial on how to use AuraChat, a new AI-powered design tool, and I combined that with Lovable. I think next time I'll try and create a more in-depth, less basic site. But yeah, this came out quite nice. This tool is quite easy to use as well. So thanks you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, please subscribe, leave a comment if you have any thoughts or questions. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video.